Alright guys, I'm going to continue with part 2 of the study guide review. Now I'm going to do a little synthetic division. First of all, the number that goes over here in the box for synthetic division is the number that makes this expression x plus 3 equal to 0. Well, we know that's negative 3. So we put negative 3 in the box. We bring down all our coefficients and constants, and we look for any missing terms so that we can put a 0 placeholder, but it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 on the exponents. So we don't have any missing terms, so we don't need any zeros in our synthetic division. Okay. So we bring down the 4, bring it down. Now we multiply negative 3 and 4 and we get negative 12. Add these up, we get negative 14. Go back and multiply by negative 3 here, we get 42. Add these up, we get 39. Multiply by negative 3, we get negative 117. Add these up, we get negative 113. Multiply these, we get positive 339. Add these up, we get 334. And then finally, multiply 334 times negative 3. 12, 0. 1002 it looks like, and that's going to be negative 1002. So our remainder is negative 999. So this is not our answer. Our answer should start, remember this problem started with x to the 5th, so our answer is going to start with x to the 4th. So 4x to the 4th minus 14x cubed plus 39x squared minus 113x plus 334, which is our constant, minus 999 over x plus 3. The divisor. Okay, so this is our answer. All right. We put 2 in a box on this one. Bring down the 2, the 6, the 3, and the negative 3. Bring down the 2. Multiply, you get 4.
Today is Monday, October the 5th, 2020.
I'm going to keep working.
Pause for a moment of silence. Stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and morning dress code check. I pledge allegiance to the dedication. You represent North Paulding on and off the field. Thanks, Biggins, for sponsoring the Pack Player of the Week. DECA competition is around the corner. For anyone interested in competing this year, go to room 626 at 7:45 a.m. on the 6th, 7th, 12th, or the 15th of this month. DECA's one-of-a-kind shirts are in. If you're a silver or gold member, go to room 626 to pick yours up. DECA's October Canned Food Drive is here. Drop off any food items to room 626 to earn community service points towards your senior course. Congratulations on this year's homecoming course. Representing the freshman class is Truth Massengale, Christian Blacksmith, close by 3:45 for check-in and directions. Attention all speakers. The speech and debate team is looking for members. Do you wish to build your confidence as a writer and a speaker? Does public speaking interest you? Are there current issues you'd like to learn more about? Then the speech and debate team is for you. Join us on Friday, October the 9th at 2 p.m. via Zoom for more information. Please see Mrs. Madison in room 404 or Mrs. Bolton in room 1215 for additional information and to get Zoom call details. The next HOSA meeting will be via Zoom October the 9th at 12 p.m. Everyone is welcome. Please scan the QR codes in the hallways for more information on membership and meetings. The JROTC Raider Team, AK Savages, competed at Osborne High School on Saturday in a very competitive mixed division. They are currently in first place. And Area 7 heading into the final two state qualifiers. The Raiders were led by co-captains Andrew Burgos and Riley Lang and had one third place finish, two second place finishes, and two first place finishes, and set a new rope bridge record with 1 minute and 6 seconds and finished second place overall. The most outstanding Raider for the competition was Macy Hill. Great job, Savages. Students, if you're needing your learner's permit or your driver's license, all requests and payments for your certificate of enrollment and ADAP certificate must be purchased through RevTrack. Tuesdays at 4 p.m. is the cutoff in order for your certificates to be ready for pickup in the front office by noon on Wednesday. And remember, WILPAC, to be prepared, attentive, cooperative, and kind today. Thank you and have a great day.